Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, you guys been watching me inspecting a lot of cars lately, and today I'm going to give you guys an update on all the incoming cars in the next 18 months. And we're going to take the Porsche America for a spin and a joyride. Let's get on. Let's hope it starts. It's got 49 miles on the clock. I love this car because I didn't have to inspect it. It only came like this, matching color key fob. Woo! Great success. You just never know if these cars turn on or not. Wow. Now that's a sexy red. In my country, that's what we call the red. Alrighty then. Let's get on the road. So only 99 of these cars, or 100, I don't know, I'm not sure. Well, they made 15 for Canada, and I think 99 or 100 for US. So super limited. What do I like about it? It's convertible. I forgot my stick today, so I won't be smoking. But this is a manual gearbox. Beautiful blue with red stitching, as you can see. And yeah, let's see what else do we have here. We got air conditioning seats, very nice. We got the vent deflator. Look at that, it's pretty cool. That's about it. Well, you do have the driving mode. We're gonna go on Sport Plus. All right. Ooh. Wow, those seats feel really cool now. Nice, right?
I didn't realize it got scrapped that much.
Oh yeah.
So this would be like what, your third time driving this car?
Probably. It's got 49.8 miles on it.
Probably third time.
Probably third. You know, after driving the SLR McLaren HDK, these cars become so quiet. It's like driving a Cadillac. And the coolest thing is, this lift system will notify itself via GPS every time you use it, so you don't have to keep pushing it. Essentially, when we come back, it should rise by itself. Let's find out. Either that or a cracked front head. All right, let's get on with the update on the incoming cars. The most exciting car is going to be the Valkyrie Spyder that's coming April, May of next year. Super excited for that. Only 85 for the world. And I haven't revealed my spec, so it's a surprise. And then I have the McLaren Solus GT, single-seater rocket ship, 900 plus horsepower, naturally V10 aspired engine. It sounds incredible. I've driven it at Kota. That's coming in June, July of next year. And then I got the mega Bugatti, the Bugatti Bolide, that's coming towards the third quarter of next year. So those are three monster cars. What else do we got? That's for next year. This year, I got the Spectre. It's coming in November. I'm super excited. And also, the most anticipated Porsche GT3 RS coming in 2 weeks, end of September. And for a Spectre, sorry to spoil it, it's not going to be pink. I opted for what I originally expected in turquoise blue, and is it teal green or turquoise blue?
I think it was like in the teal. I think it was teal.
Teal.
Yeah.
Oh no, something like that. Yeah. Well, I got the 718 Spyder. That is actually kind of cool and exciting, but it won't be coming till probably February of next year. I froze my spec, but Porsche is running a little behind.
Whatever happened to your Hummer?
I don't know. They took my $100 deposit like 4 years ago, and never got an email.
Are you serious?
Yeah, you just reminded me. I should check my order.
Yeah.
Because I never got a confirmation of an order, but they did charge my credit card for the $100 deposit. They're trying to pull Elon Musk on me.
I think a lot of people have been asking about the Ferraris. What happened there?
Do we need to go there? It's Ferrari. No, to be fair, they did give me the allocation for SF90 Coupe, but it took over 18 months. And by then, there were so many on the market, and the Spyder came out. So I told them, you know, I prefer to get the Spyder. They said, no problem. We'll switch your deposit over to a Spyder. And then, when I tried to get confirmation on that, they tried to sell me a Roma Spyder and the SUV. And I'm like, wait a minute. I was buying one car, now I gotta buy three to get the SF90 Spyder. So I got a little tired of the hassle Ferrari was doing to me, and well, long story short, I don't think I'm gonna be owning any new Ferraris anytime soon.
What about classic Ferraris? Would you ever be interested in buying one of those?
Yeah, hell yeah.
What about your old school classic cars? You're trying to look for one, or?
Oh, so you know, I've been searching for a 1983 Honda Accord sedan. That was my first car I ever bought in the US, and it was burgundy outside, burgundy inside. And I found one. It's a little beat up, but nothing that you can't buff out. So we may go look at it.
What's the story behind that car? How were you able to afford it when you're younger?
Oh, interesting. So I used to work at Kmart, making a little over $3 an hour, and my paycheck was a little over $100 a week. And for a whole year, 52 weeks, I used to take $100 out of my paycheck and put it in an envelope and put it under my mattress, literally under my mattress. After a year, at over $5,000, I went to auction with my neighbor, because we used to buy and sell cars, and I got a great deal on a 1983 Honda Accord, and this was 1987. So it was only 4 years old, low miles, really cool. And yeah, that was my first hustle, how to get my first car.
That's cool.
And I was 17. If you guys remember, I did take my Bugatti Hermes to Kmart that I used to work at in Costa Mesa. You guys may want to scroll down and find that video. That gave me goosebumps that day. I remember when I was walking the floor, the same floors I used to mop. Never give up, keep hustling, because everything in life is a stepping stone. So don't get comfortable, don't get stuck. Just think of it as temporary, and always look to improve your life, yourself, and those around you that you love. And that's essentially why I built this channel. So share my success, little Borat, and hey, you make a little bit of money too, you know? So let's see if that left comes up.
Oh yeah, you're right.
You know why? I think I need to register my car.
Oh, it's still
You know
under.
what I mean?
Oh, it's still under gas.
Yeah, it's on there.
Oh, there you go.
Oh,
Save.
Oh, there we go. Eddie Murphy, you know. Nate, we have too much fun. But honestly, life's too short, and don't take life too seriously. Be good, do good, and just laugh and joke, and just don't harm anybody. So
I think a lot of people are asking, why did you even start this channel?
well, you know, honestly, you know, I do a lot of real estate, which is tense, constantly underwriting properties, crunching numbers. This gives me a little a break that I get to have fun with you guys, share my success stories. And also, I love driving cars. It kind of forces me driving my cars because I have a lot of cars and I'm always busy. Before you know it, I gotta go home. So by having Nate come over, force me to do a couple of videos, I get to drive my cars. So what better way to reward yourself with a little joyride and also inspire others. Hopefully some of you guys get inspired by my videos, and it's good deed at the end of the day. So all right, should we go in? With that said, I'm gonna say my goodbye. Be safe, be well. See you guys on the next one. Let me show you how I turn my real estate portfolio from $1 million to $100 million in just 6 years. In my coaching programs, I don't just give you a roadmap. I actually teach you how to underwrite deals, how to find it, and how to add value using my strategies I've learned in the past 30 years. And there's no better time than now, because the next 2 years are going to present the best buying opportunities, in my opinion, for commercial real estate. Take advantage of my commercial real estate contrarian academy programs. It comes with live calls, accountability coach, as well as property previews by me. And you also get access to me on a monthly basis. Basically, in the 6-month time, I'm going to teach you most of my strategies that I've learned in the past 30 years that have proven to be successful for me. Gain access to my free real estate training video by clicking the button below.